All right, I'm not gonna lie. I'm
You're
making this
turning
video
into a
just to rant, bro.
skeleton.
Yes.
Because I just had to do something that I should have never had to do ever, bro. Like nobody should ever have to do. Right? I'm not gonna say never, but like it shouldn't be as often as is like becoming, bro. And this is the only time I even said something because like I don't really care, right? But basically, I have an online class, right? And that's really the reason why I haven't been able to get dark matter because I've been having to do that work because she posts an assignment every day and it be mad long assignments. It's not even like her assignments be short or nothing. Like they be mad long. So like you gotta do a long assignment every day. It's like she type up so much, but she don't have to retype. Like she don't have to make a new curriculum every year since it's like online, right? So she just type up this whole like thing that you got to read every time to even understand what's going on because you don't know what the example is. You don't know when she about to explain when to do it. What's just an example. You never know. So you got to read it basically, right? And I be trying to skip the examples because like I don't really need an example. Once I know how to do it, I know how to do it, right? Sometimes, most of the time. So basically I'm trying to catch up on my work because I'm like a week behind, right? And December coming up, so it's about to be not only winter break where the class is gonna end, but it's also about to be Thanksgiving break. Like I'm trying to be free. I'm not gonna lie. I'm not trying to be doing work during Thanksgiving break at all. All right, so I'm trying to complete that before Thanksgiving break even come up, so I can be done. So I'm doing my work, bro. I'm doing a test, right? And when I'm doing the test, like I'm actually like doing them right, and I'm trying to get all the questions right because I'm trying to get 100. Because if you get a 90 in the class, you don't have to take the final exam because I'm a senior, right? So I'm trying to do that. No, bro, like it's not working because it's not even like I'm getting the questions wrong. She legitimately is like the answers are not right. The answers are just straight up not right. I might show you guys in a second after this math, but the answers are straight up not right. And it's like, bro, I can understand like, okay, you mess up one time with the answers. Like one answer is not right. Cool. Right? One answer not right. All right, bet. You're a teacher. You still human though. Like you gonna make mistakes. Even though you had a couple years to like try to fix this stuff, because I know you don't make a new test each time. Okay? Bro, it's not just one answer that's not right. It's like 3 answers that's not right, and it's simple stuff. So look, you see this? What is the probability of between 0 and 1 test being performed inclusive? I put 0 and 1. Like it's gonna say the correct answer because I changed it, but I put 0 and 1. Bro, why is the answer 0 and 2? Why is the answer 0 and 2? It literally says between 0 and 1. It says between 0 and 1, right? It says that. I put 0 and 1 and it's saying that 2 is the right answer. What? And as you guys can see, it took off some points for that. It takes off points each time you get it wrong, but you get to reattempt it just so you can get it right. Bro, even here, like I can show y'all the math. Like it's easy. This is easy math. This is easy math. I could show y'all the math. It's easy. You see here. Like, look at this. So some of y'all might not know how this works, but basically, if you lose this game right here, you lose $10 or $2. So that's -2. You lose $2, -2. If you win the game, you gain $5. But the thing is, instead of it being 5, it's supposed to be 3 because you paid $2 to play the game and you get $5 out of it. So you gain $3. Basic subtraction. So the answer is supposed to be -1.5, right? Bro, it's like, and the other one was even worse. The other one was like, I'm not even going to explain the other one. The other one was even worse on my first test because I had to do it twice because I tried to get a better grade and I did, but a lot of answers are still wrong, bro. First of all, the expected value is not even positive. It's supposed to be negative, right? That's the first thing. It's supposed to be negative, right? Because the value, as you can see right here, is negative, right? And then here we have, this means that on average, you can expect to lose $1.3 every time someone plays your game. No, you can be expecting to gain. Hold on, let me make sure y'all can see. Yeah, you can. All right. You should be expecting to gain $1.3 because they're losing their money. You're not losing money. They're the one playing the game. You're gaining the money. They're losing the money. The value of the game is negative 1.3. They're losing money. If you look at this and you say it's a 90% chance that you lose, it doesn't even make sense for them to be gaining money in this situation. It doesn't even make sense. They play it 5 times. They could not even win after the 5th game. And it costs $2 to play. So they lost $10 and there's not even like a good chance that they won after, and that's after 5 games. So in what world would you ever be losing money? You're not losing money in this situation. You're gaining money. It should, like, even the gain and lose is wrong. This one's right. It's not a fair game. This is the one right here. Look, bro, I can show y'all the math. Like, I don't got my calculator connected, but bro, let me see if I could find one. Boom. Y'all see the answer right here. 0.9986. You round that up. That's 0.999. Why does it say 0.998? I don't know. And also, this is what I'm talking about. You see nowhere does it say round to the thousands. On the next question, it says round to the nearest thousands. On this question, it does not say that. Where do I round to? I literally have to guess where I have to round to. And then even when I do round to the correct number, it's still wrong because I just wasn't supposed to round on the 4th question, apparently. So on the 4th question, I just don't round. And as you can see, again, it took off points, right? I got points taken off. Now this one, I got this last one. I actually got it wrong. Even though, you know what I'm saying? Like, did I really get it wrong? Because I just got these 2 things wrong. Did I really get it wrong? Whatever. Like, bro, I should at least have a 90 on the test. There's no reason I should have an 80. Like, I know it sounds like, oh, you complaining, but like, bro, I don't have a 90 in the class. Like, I don't want to, like, I don't want to do this test. Like, I don't want to do the final test at all. So I'm trying to get a 90, bro. The questions on the test should not be wrong. I should not be teaching the teacher how to do her own subject of her teachings. What are we talking about right now? This doesn't even make any sense. I don't even understand. Like, I'm trying to think because there was other stuff that was wrong, low key. Like, I got this one wrong. I'm trying to think, what did I get wrong? Oh yeah, between 0 and 1, that's wrong. Like, straight up wrong. This one's straight up wrong. This one straight up wrong. I can go to the other one because the questions they switch. The questions aren't the same each time. They switch each time. Hold on, let me go to the other one. Look, as y'all can see, I have an 82. I have an 82 in this class, bro. I have an 82. And it's because some of the questions are literally wrong, bro. I should have a 90. And it was like this for the last test too, but bro, I didn't care about the last test because like I didn't think that this was gonna be a recurring thing. Like, oh, this one's wrong, this one wrong, this one wrong, this one wrong. As y'all can see, look right here. I had a 73. I got a 73 the first time. The second time I got an 81. Bro, none of my answers were wrong except one. This one, bro, this one was some bull too. This one was like bull, like actual bull. So this one again, I didn't know where to round. So I rounded all of them to 3 places, and then I had to subtract one, right? So every single one of these are wrong. And then this one, I rounded 3 places and I got this one right. Why is this one rounded to 3 places, but the rest of these are rounded to 2? This one was rounded to 3 places also, but the third place was a 0. And that's another thing also, y'all about to see. That's another thing. So that was stupid. Then you come here. So you see right here, I put this one at 0.7 and I put this one at 0.70. Bro, I got this question wrong right here because I didn't put the 0. And I can understand, oh, it's money, you have to put the 0. But bro, there's been times where I will put the 0 and then I get it wrong. There's been times where I put this 0 right here and I got it wrong. I'll put like 0.70 and then I'll get it wrong. It's like, bro, it's hit or miss whether I got it right or not, bro. It shouldn't be like that. It shouldn't be like that at all, bro. Let's see. I'm trying to think what happened with this one. This is stupid. It says between 12 and 14. What numbers are between 12 and 14? If I even look this up, the number 13. It doesn't say 12, 13, 14. The numbers between 12 and 14 is 13. Bro, this should not be greater than or equal to. This should be greater than, and this should be less than. I don't understand why. Like, it's stupid, bro. It's stupid. And this, I'm looking at it. This one isn't even right. This one right here isn't even right. This should be facing this way. This should be the same one as this one. This one just isn't right. Like, I didn't even notice that. This one just isn't right. Like, straight up, there's no like confusing it. This one just straight up isn't right. The main takeaway from this video, if you take anything away from this video, don't take these online classes, bro. Unless you could cheat in the whole class, and I'm talking straight Quizlet, like straight Quizlet. You go straight Quizlet. You just look up the answers and they automatically pop up already on Quizlet, ready for you to copy and paste. I'm talking, unless you can do that, do not take these online classes, bro. Like, it's stupid, bro. Like, these teachers, bro, it's something up with them. Like, it's something up with them. I'm telling you, it's something with an online teacher. Like, why are you an online teacher? Like, what do you even do? All right, though. I'm gonna see you guys, man. Have a great day. Bye. Oh yeah, dark matter video might be coming out soon. I don't know. I don't know about the dark matter video. And I fixed my sound, so y'all should be able to hear chat now next time I do it. So yeah. All right, y'all. See ya.
Heaven knows I've watched you fall to find the makings of a lie. And so it begins, and so it takes a toll on, so it never ends, so you begin to hold on to all of the little things that you left behind, all of the little things you keep